Alright guys, getting ready to pick up another customer. We'll see if we've got a reaction or a ride along. Stay tuned. The temperature feel okay?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
What is going on, my friends? I've got another raw RoboTaxi video for you today. This isn't going to be quite as exciting as our customer reactions or our dedicated challenge videos. The whole goal here is to show FSD doing the job. It's going to be a bit boring, bit low energy. Most of my customers are not talkative. They don't really care. They got their own thing going on, and I'm not here to bother them. So these are those trips, and I just wanted to show a high integrity and transparent view of FSD doing the work. That's the reason for not having any editing aside from this note to the audience. Now, these videos can range anywhere from 5-10 minutes to several hours, so make sure you know what you're getting into. Feel free to skip around, increase the playback speed, or even just jump to the end to get my final thoughts and maybe even a reveal of FSD to the customer to see how they vary. One benefit I hope these videos provide is a reference point or a sort of bookmark of proof of concept for you to use in discussions with others around FSD, especially those who are of the mind that this will never happen. There is already a ride-along playlist on the channel, but these going forward are going to be more tailored and dedicated to that task. On top of these longer videos, I do plan to have shorter, more high-energy critiques and even YouTube shorts to spread out the engagement and get more eyes on the channel. But it is very important to have that raw, unedited drive out for that high integrity and transparency, so nobody can say I'm trying to paint FSD in one way or the other. You just get the actual performance and what's going on. As always, guys, I really appreciate your feedback, whether it's on YouTube or X. Please hit me up in the comments with your suggestions and ideas. Thanks for your view, and I hope you enjoy.
What'd you think of the self-driving Tesla?
You ain't driving it?
The whole ride.
Oh, wow.
It was all the car.
I ain't paying no attention.
Felt pretty natural, right?
Mm-hmm.
And just right up here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right here by the door. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. And just hold that button there at the front and push out. Perfect. Take care. It is kind of crazy to me, guys, that with me sitting here with my, hands on my knees and the car doing its thing, the amount of people that just have no idea. They just don't even know. It's starting to, or not even starting to, for a while. It's been largely so natural that the average person is none the wiser. Even with me just sitting here, right foot tucked back, hands on my knees. It's interesting. And it also shows you just how kind of lost in our own little worlds we can all be. But another really good drive, a bit shorter than the last one. That is basically all here in Lakeland. Hurry mode. I hope you guys enjoyed watching FSD kick some more ass with all of its boring expertise. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.